What's up guys, Felix the creator here. In this step-by-step guide I will show you how you can use our Film Split Screens Volume 2. If you don't have this pack already, make sure to hit the link in the description below. So stay tuned, there are really awesome effects inside. Check this out. Welcome to my tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can use our Film Split Screens Volume 2 in Adobe Premiere Pro. These are all overlays, so you can use them as well in other editing softwares like in Final Cut Pro X or in DaVinci Resolve. But let's start right here in Adobe Premiere Pro. After you've purchased our Film Split Screens, you have to import your folder right here in your project window. In Adobe Premiere Pro, you can double click here in this window, or you can make a right click and click on Import. Now let's open the folder. And here you will find three different folders. First of all, you have a bonus folder here where you find a really cool 60mm film grain and here a 60mm white film grain. I really love this bonus file and you can use this white grain for cool text intros as an example. Let's go back to the overview, to the folder structure. And now you have two different folders. Here the Split Screens original folder, there you will find split screens in 16:9. And in the other folder you will find all the stuff in a story format. So as an example, you can use them here for Instagram story or Facebook story. But let's start here with the original ones. The big difference to the Film Split Screens Volume 1 is that you have all your film split screens also in white. And this is a really cool feature. And on top of the story format and the black and white edition, you will also find the Kodak Elements folder, where you have the wiggle elements inside. You have these Kodak Elements as a graphic, as a PNG. You will find some nice burn effects. And you will find these awesome film emulsion burns in this folder here, yeah. Okay, now let's start with the basics. Go to your footage and in our example, let's say we use this cool volcano clip here that I've downloaded from Artgrid.io. Now let's go back to the Film Split Screens folder. First of all, let's use the originals. Go to the split screens and let's use one of the black split screens first. Bring this here on top of your footage in the timeline. Select the split screen, go to the effect controls here on the left side. And the only thing you have to do is to change the blend mode. Go here to the opacity blend mode and change it to multiply. And as you can see, it works. Now select your footage in the timeline and let's say we want it here in the left corner. So scale it down a bit. Here change the position to the left side. Yeah, let's say we use it here in the left corner. Let's go back to the footage. Before you can drag more footage under your split screen overlay, you have to bring it up to, let's say, video track 3. And now you can drag your footage under the overlay. Use a nice framing, let's say something like this. And now use the crop effect, go to the effects. Drag and drop the crop effect onto your footage. Go to the effect controls here on the left side. Let's say we crop here the bottom to something like this. Drag and drop the next clip here with the split screens. Okay. And bring this here in the right corner. But now we want to bring this to the next level. So let's go back to the folder. Open the original split screens folder. Go to the Kodak Elements. And let's use one of these wiggle elements. Let's say we use the Portra 400 wiggle. Bring this here on top of your footage. Yeah, that fits good. And as I said at the beginning, it came with an alpha channel. In this case, you don't have to change the blend mode or anything else. Click here on the folder icon to jump back in the folder structure. and use an awesome burn effect. Select the portrait burn, go to the effect controls and change the blending mode to screen. And now, as you can see, you have created this awesome film split screen. Yeah, that works good and looks really nice. And here comes my favorite effect. If you go back, go to the film emulsion burns, and let's say we use this one here. Boom. Yeah, you can use this as a start, or you can use it for a cut to another scene. Yeah. Play around a bit with all these effects and create your own style. And here's a really important step if you want to use the white film split screens. Delete the black film split screen. Let's use one of the white border split screens. Drag and drop this onto your clip. Select the white split screen. Go to the effect controls here on the left side and make sure that you change the blend mode to screen. And as I said at the beginning, as an extra feature, you have all these functions also here in a story format. Let's say we create a new sequence. Let's change the size in the story format. And now you can drag and drop story format right here. And for sure you have all the Kodak Elements and the emulsion burns or the film burns in a story format. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So have fun with this brand new pack and create some outstanding videos for your community. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Hear you soon, Felix the Creator.